Welcome to the online lecture series of Energy Audit and Management. Here is Professor Lakshman Mani. This is a video session on energy audit instruments for electrical utilities. In this session, you will be able to explain need of energy audit instruments and energy audit instruments for electrical utilities. Need of energy audit instruments for accurate and quantified identification of energy loss or estimation of saving potential. It is important to have important instruments during an energy audit. Audit instruments should be portable, means small in size and handy. Durable means should have long life. Easy to operate, and inexpensive means low in price. Energy audit instruments for electrical utilities include electrical system and lighting system. Basic electrical parameters of measurement are voltage, current, power factor, energy consumption, and frequency. Types of electrical power. Electrical power is classified as active or real or true power in kilowatt. The power which is actually consumed or utilized in an AC circuit is active or real power. Apparent power, which is used on demand. It is measured in kilovolt ampere. This is the product of root mean square, that is RMS value of voltage and current. Reactive power, that is kVAR. The power which flows in both the direction in the circuit is reactive power. Power factor. Let us see in this diagram. This is a triangle. Side of triangle. The horizontal side shows real or true power. Vertical side shows reactive power. And hypotenuse shows apparent power. So power factor is a cos phi, means ratio of active or true power to apparent power. For example, if we have a bulb of 100 watt, then its apparent power is 125 watt. So power factor of bulb is 0.8. Basic lighting parameters of measurement. Rated luminous flux, which is measured in lumen. Rated luminous efficacy, that is measured as lumen per watt. Rated luminous intensity distribution is in candela. Illumines of a surface, that is measured in lumen per meter square. Lumen is a unit of light intensity. Let us see electrical instruments. Voltmeter, which is used to measure voltage. Ammeter is an instrument which is used to measure current in ampere. Multimeter is used to measure electrical parameters as voltage, current, and resistance. Digital clamp meter. It is designed primarily for use on AC circuits. It combines a basic digital multimeter with a current sensor. So by clamping on the wire, digital clamp meter measure voltage, current and resistance of the circuit. Power factor meter. To measure power factor, it is used. Power analyzer. It gives a continuous measurement and record of voltage, current, real power means true power, apparent power, power factor and frequency. Energy meter also gives all these parameters. Measurement. Usually a substantial portion of electrical energy requirement of a plant are for illumination. So for that purpose lighting is required. So lighting instruments are used to find light intensity. Lighting instruments is a luminous flux meter. It measures rated luminous flux. It is given in lumen. Lux meter. It is a very convenient instrument to measure the level of illumination of light. Rated luminous intensity distribution is given in candela. Lux meter consists of a photocell which senses the light output and converts to electrical impulses which are calibrated as lux. So it gives a reading of lumen per meter square, that is a lux, means intensity of light falling on 1 square meter area. Photometer. It measures the strength of electromagnetic radiation in the range from ultraviolet to infrared and including the visible spectrum. So at the end of session you can explain need of energy audit instruments and energy audit instruments for electrical utilities. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.